In this tutorial, I want to show you how to share your iPad or iPhone screen with your students or other teachers in the event that you want to train them how to do something on their mobile device. So for example, in this video that I'm going to create with you, I'm going to share my phone screen and show you how to open up tasks on your phone to add new checklist items to your to-do list. Now, how do we do this? We're going to be able to use Zoom to record everything we're doing on our phone screen, but we're going to be able to record that from Zoom on our computer. So we're going to start a Zoom meeting on our computer. You can do that by going to zoom.us and signing in and then press host a meeting. You don't need video on. You can also do this if you have the Zoom application installed on your computer and just start a new meeting. And you do not need video on for this. Now, in order to record your voice, you will need your audio. So you can do that with computer audio. And now we have a meeting with only one person in it, just you. So, I want to share my screen. But I'm not going to share my desktop screen. I'm going to share my iPhone or iPad screen by clicking that option here and pressing share. If you don't see this here, ask your tech support staff to change the settings on the back end of Zoom. I'll press share. Now, this window pops up and it says on your iPhone or iPad. And then the first thing is make sure that you're connected to the same network as your laptop. So your phone and your laptop or your iPad and your laptop need to be on the same network. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this part next. It's hard to do before I'm mirroring, but you tap screen mirroring by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen on your iPad or your iPhone, and then you press screen mirroring, and then you choose Zoom, and now all of a sudden I'm connected. So how did I do that? So on my phone screen, and by the way, when this is on your laptop, you can move your screen around just by clicking and dragging, right? So if you notice up here at the top right where you see your wireless and your cell phone bars and your battery, I'm going to put my finger there and sort of swipe down like this. And it brings up this menu. Right now where I see Zoom-S Rosenfeld, if I tap that, normally it just shows screen mirroring. If you have an Apple TV, you'll notice you can share it just like you're AirPlaying, but you're AirPlaying to a room called Zoom. Okay, we are connected. Our phone is now connected to this Zoom meeting. But how do I record? So we're going to record this Zoom meeting, and when we hit record, all of the movements that we do on the screen are going to be recorded as well. So right now nothing is being recorded. If I go up to the dots, the three dots at the top right of my screen here, a bunch of items show up and one of them says record. So I'm going to press record, and you'll notice this circle, this black circle with a red dot. If I hover over it, it says recording on this computer. I am now recording. Everything I'm saying and all of the movements on this screen are being recorded. It is not recording the background here. It is not recording your computer screen. It is only recording what's in this green box. Everything else will appear to be black. So, right now I'm talking, I can say, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use tasks on your mobile phone. You can click the blue circle with the white line. It's right here. And here are my tasks to do. If I press the plus sign at the bottom, I can add a new task. You'll notice my phone is in dark mode, so this became in dark mode as well. I can add subtasks. I can click the little calendar icon to add a due date, and I can press save, and now I've made my task. Okay, so I've finished this tutorial. How do I stop? I press stop share up here, or I can go up to the three dots and press stop recording, and when I press stop share and end my meeting, you'll see that your video is being converted. So the video that we just recorded is now right here. It says zoom_0. I'm on a PC. If you're on a Mac, this folder will open up and you'll see a folder that's called Zoom, and underneath it there are going to be subfolders for each of the times that you hit record. So inside of this, I have a video file. If I open up, is now a recording of that screen record. So you can see all the stuff that I'm doing. I can see that I did my task there. I'm going to close that video. Now, if I want to upload this to YouTube, I can just drag this file. I don't need all three, just that one file, and I can drag that one and upload it to YouTube. So in this tutorial, we've covered a couple different things. We started a Zoom meeting. We shared our iPhone or iPad screen. We recorded that screen, and now we've located this file that we can upload to YouTube.